Amazon is changing things once again now for variations. One of the hardest things for new sellers to do is create a variation. And a variation is just like if you had a shirt and you sell small, medium, large. Now yet they're three separate listings. You kind of combine them into one actual listing so that way you can click through. Now, what do you want to do? This is a variation wizard. Important variation wizard is being replaced. Now, sellers are, some of them are happy, some of them are mad about this, but the replacement is pretty good, right? So if you go into Amazon, you can see what is new, and you can go through and it kind of just shows you the new feature that they're adding in. And, there is pros and cons, but let's say you were selling something like Uno or something. So let's go to Uno, right? And we're looking at Uno or we're looking at coffee. I did coffee and Uno. We'll do coffee first. So coffee, click on this. And let's say you're selling this as a product. You're selling coffee. You can click view variations right here. So you don't have to download a spreadsheet. And then you can just click add new variants right here. What you used to have to do is download like a special spreadsheet and add a variation in. It was such a pain. So this right now is a variation. We can even double check on the listing right now. Look, so you can see variations. This is a variation, 30 ounce, 18 ounce. Colombian coffee is a different variation where they only offer 27.5 ounce. And you can see that here's the Colombian coffee right here. And here's the original blend, right? So these are all of it. Now, if I sold Dunkin' myself coffee, I could click add new variant. If I have a product that has variants, I can click add new variant. Now, if I sell something like Uno and I don't have variants, then this tool is not good. So you can see that the button to add new variants is missing because there is no variants. But if you have a product that already has variants, it's super easy now because again, one more time, you're just going through search. Let's say I was selling coffee, or you type in your ASIN of your product. There it is. And I can just click view variations and I can just add a new variant very quickly, right? This button used to not be here. What they should be adding a button that says add variant if there is no variant, but they don't have that yet. Hopefully soon, right? Add to existing variation families from add the products page, right? So instead of using the variation wizard, it's pretty much going to be a lot faster if you already have variations where you can add new variations, right? But there is another way to do it. If you do product variations, there's a couple different ways to do it. You can always look up exactly what else you can do. But the old way and the way that still works and is going to stay the way is going to be spreadsheets. So spreadsheets, you can just click on spreadsheet and then you can download a blank template and then list products already in Amazon's catalog. And this is if you wanted to start from scratch. Put your ASIN in and then click generate spreadsheet. Once you click generate spreadsheet, you're going to have to actually learn how to create variations, and then you can create a variation from scratch. Once a variation is created, it's very easy to update your variation and add new variations like you saw with Dunkin' Coffee. When you click coffee, and you already have that button right there to view variations and add new variations. Now, there's also another trick to add a variation. If you don't have any variations on your listing, you can actually just go into your managed products. So go to inventory managed products, click edit on your listing, and then in your listing, there is going to be a variations button, and you can actually click create variations for this listing. So in your edit product listing, this is also another way, which is a lot easier than spreadsheets. Amazon's trying to get rid of the spreadsheets and then have a much easier process. The thing is, when they release these new different ways of doing things, they don't explain it well or they forget to add features. Like you saw right here, they forgot to add create variation. Like instead, it's only add to your current variation. But this is just something important for you to know. Hopefully that you learned something new in today's video. It's a little bit advanced, but it's important for sellers to know how to create variations because it does help you increase sales when you're launching a new product and you already have a product that's doing well. You can put the slow moving product on the variation, and usually it's going to get a lot more views, aka a lot more clicks and a lot more sales. If you need any help with Amazon variations or anything Amazon, we do A to Z. We're a consulting and management agency that will help you increase your sales. You can see all of our clients and how that we helped multiple clients get over millions of dollars in sales and even sell their businesses for millions. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.